Hey up YouTubers, how are we? Hope you're all keeping safe out there. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here and you've not subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button, ring that bell. Every time I upload a video, you'll get a notification. Anyway, 2 weeks ago, my mate Chris and I were on the Isle of Skye. Video's up there somewhere if you want to have a watch of it, if you haven't watched it. From the Isle of Skye, we headed east over to the Cairngorms. This week, we're going from a little town called Carribridge, where we stopped to have a bit of a coffee, just past Inverness on the A9. We're heading towards the Lecht Ski Resort, over the top of the Cairngorms. So if you fancy a bit of that, stick around, stay tuned. So YouTubers, we're just coming out of the little village called Carribridge. We just stopped at Carribridge Kitchen for a bit of coffee. We're going to turn right now and head east on the A938. And we're heading towards Carribridge. Come all the way from Portree this morning. We picked up the A832 and the A835 into Inverness, across Inverness, down the A9, and then turned off on the A938. Great corners, heading into the Cairngorms. Not much traffic, some great roads. And we're heading for the Lecht Ski Resort. That's where we're going to end our journey today. Just in a little village of Bridge. Nice little place. As you can see, 30-mile-an-hour limit, we do. To the end of the A938, we're going to turn left on the A95. And you can see right in the distance, straight in front of us, that's where we're heading, the Cairngorms. Still on the A95, I'm going to do a right. and across the River Spey. Then off the A95 we're going to do a right onto the old military road, and this runs for miles and miles and miles. As you can see, the hills are getting bigger, the heather's turning up and the green's going away. We're starting to climb now. It'd be great to be on that sports bike, all on your own, on top of these mirrors. First place we're going to drop into is the Bridge of Brown. And climb back out again, up onto the top of the moors. Not much traffic about. Weather's still good. A little bit of rain up this side today, but nothing major. So the next village we come into is a village called Tommentile. I think that's how you pronounce it. That's what it says on Wikipedia. The 2004 film One Last Chance was filmed here. And it's a bit of a weird little village. It's laid out in a grid pattern by Alexander Gordon, the 4th Duke of Gordon, in 1775. So the Duke's motivation for the settlement, well, the permanent settlement, would minimise cattle theft and illegal distilling of spirits in the area. We do a left out of the village off Main Street and carry on the A939, which is the old military road, which we head on up on top of the moors up towards the Lecht Ski Resort. As you can see, just getting a little bit of rain, nothing much, but get yourself up here, it's great.